Apple is reportedly working on its first foldable iPhone, but it's not expected to launch until at least 2026. Here's what we know so far. Development progress. Apple is in the final stages of selecting a display supplier for its foldable phone. This process should be completed between February and April 2025. The company is testing display durability, crease reduction, and hinge mechanisms. Display and design. The main challenge is making the screen fold seamlessly without a visible crease. Apple is considering multiple form factors, including a clamshell, flip, design and a larger book-style foldable. The phone may feature an OLED or micro-LED display, ensuring high brightness and durability. Foldable OLED or micro-LED display, expected to be crease-free for a seamless experience. Clamshell, flip, or book-style, tablet, design, Apple is testing different form factors. Ultra-durable glass, possibly using a special version of ceramic shield for foldable screens. Performance and hardware. A18 or M series chip, likely powered by an Apple Silicon chip for top-tier performance. High refresh rate, 120 Hz promotion, smooth scrolling and animations. Face ID and under-display Touch ID. Apple may bring back Touch ID under the screen. MagSafe and USB-C charging, faster charging and accessory compatibility. Camera system 48 megapixels main camera, advanced image processing and night mode improvements. Periscope zoom lens, for better optical zoom, similar to iPhone 15 Pro Max. Enhanced selfie camera, optimized for foldable screen use. Expected features. iOS optimization. Apple will ensure smooth multitasking and UI adaptation. Apple Silicon chipset, likely to have a high-end processor, similar to the A18 or M series chips. Premium build. Apple will focus on a thin, lightweight design with strong durability. Improved battery tech, to handle longer screen-on times due to the large display. Software and UI. iOS optimization for foldables, custom gestures, multitasking, and split-screen support. Apple Pencil support. If it's a larger foldable, Apple could introduce Pencil compatibility. Always on display, for notifications, widgets, and time when folded. Price and competition. The foldable iPhone is expected to cost over $2,000, competing with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series. Apple will wait until the tech is perfected before launching, unlike competitors who released early foldable models with flaws. Release timeline. While some reports hint at a late 2025 unveiling, the most likely launch window is 2026. Apple wants to ensure top quality and reliability before entering the foldable market.